Well, that only reflects the true attitude and the real character of Congressman Bravo. Kasi kung ganun ang line of thinking niya, ganun siya. Ako, I'm a very forgiving person. I have forgiven all those who had wronged me in the past. Previous life ko na yun eh. And wala na sa akin yun. This is not about Speaker Arroyo. This is not about any congressman or any senator. This is about my advocacy, my crusade against the pork-barrel system. And this is about the national budget na siya dapat na tumutustos sa bawat Pilipino, sa kabuhayan natin. So this is not about any person, any congress, much less Speaker Arroyo. Kaya kung gano'n ang kanyang takbo ng kanyang pag-iisip, ganun siguro siya.